You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Titilope Abidat Fatai, a rapidly rising Nollywood actress, has opened up why she will never forget the late Yoruba actress Moji Olaiya. Moji had played a very important role in what she is today, she says. This was revealed by Titilope Abidat, who is a student of the National Open University of Nigeria, in an interview with newsman Gbolahan Adetayo.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.